So today I'm with Jerome, and today we're going to be cooking. But you can go into detail exactly what we're going to be cooking and what's going to happen today.
Okay, so today we're going to cook. Before we get into that, so today we have our private VIP dinner. Leonie is here with me. I'm going to show her the rundown of what's happening. I'm making her favorites today. I'm doing oxtail and I'm doing jerk chicken. That's a banger.
Amazing. So now you're going to season, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to show you all up in the seasoning pot. And we have Eric behind the camera, by the way.
Hi guys. Hey.
Alright, so now we're gonna season the oxtail. We have to bring out some garlic for the thing. Yeah? Big boy thing.
Shanti, are you excited?
Yeah, to eat.
Of course it is. Are you gonna learn anything today?
No.
Oh. You can just eat, that's good.
I don't need to cook. I have Eric.
Oh!
See?
Do you like Eric's food? Is he a good cook?
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah? He never cooked for me yet, so I don't
He's
know.
very good.
He's shy. He's shy to cook here. Yeah. He's shy to cook for the chef.
Of course, if you
He's
cannot.
intimidated.
Yeah.
It's a fact.
So people go and follow YaRdViBe, where Jerome makes all his Jamaican food.
Ching!
Do you want to tell them a bit about that?
Yeah, so YaRdViBe is my business, guys. You should go and follow on Instagram and check out my vlogs on YouTube where you can learn to cook a few things. I upload content ever so regular, so yeah, just stay tuned, innit?
That's nice. So you follow them on your YouTube, you do like, you put the camera there and you just cook?
Yeah, I put my camera here and you know, I do my thing, like my gimbal, I do my thing over there, you know, so you get the full thing. Then I voice over,
Nice.
tell people how it's made, whatever, you get me?
So all you people that love cooking, go follow. I'll put the link below.
Follow Romy.
It's gonna cry.
Yeah.
Having it.
I hate cutting onions, man. It's always make me cry. Shit, man.
I remember at
Cut these
home,
in.
like when my mum used to cook, we have 3 floors, and from the top I could always, he would always catch me still.
What?
I would cry from
The onions?
from the 3rd floor every single week.
That's mad.
Yeah.
So you're really sensitive to it. I am too.
It's the first time I'm trying your food actually.
Yeah?
Oh god.
It's burning? Yeah? Oh, you're super sensitive. Yeah, I'm like, how come you can cut so many onions and your eyes aren't burning? It's weird.
What about you?
I always cry.
You always cry anyway. Joking. I want to choke in this.
This is the magic. This is what makes the jerk, man. Without these,
This is what makes the jerk dance.
yeah, this is what makes the jerk. Look at it. Pimento beans. Real thing. Smell it, yeah? Oh, good,
I
yeah?
thought you were telling them to smell it.
Oh. Alright, so a little bit of this thing. Pepper.
I like it.
After season the thing nice, you know? Yeah. So don't season it good, it now go nice. Some salt. It looks like a lot, yeah? No, it's not.
A lot.
Boom. We got a little bit of sugar in there. Yeah.
That's a little bit?
Yeah, man, that's a little bit of sugar. You put some dark soy sauce. Oh, by the way, this is the best soy sauce I found in Dubai. Lulu. I don't know how they made it like this thick, but it's the best. I
Take
love
notes.
it. Yeah, man. That's it.
Nice.
Then we're gonna rub it up. Rub up the thing. So I'm gonna put some oil in this pot here. It's already really hot. Let's get in there. Ooh. By the way, guys, cook with olive oil. Stop with all the sunflower oil and shit. That's not good for you. Olive oil is the real deal.
Even in your hair, you put olive oil.
No, in your hair, you put oil tycoon. Now that's the real deal.
That too.
Yeah. It's getting a bit smoky. Everyone
too.
Sear off our oxtail now. Eric, look at it. Look good, hmm? Look good, yeah?
Change over.
Yeah, man. Can start eating now, you know? Yeah? Yeah, man. Alright. Eric, catch her from this now, you know? Woo! Yeah, man. See it, see it, see it.
We're gonna eat good tonight.
You smell that? You smell it, yeah?
You smell it?
Yeah, man.
Ow.
Yeah, you can't wait, you know?
I don't want to burn it.
You have to wait 2 hours. That's how long it takes to cook.
2 hours.
Remember to put that in there. Oxtail takes 2 hours to cook if you want it proper. Yeah. To them calling it smoke.
So the security is calling you?
Not for the smoke.
Hello? Yes. Yeah, we're cooking. It's fine. No worries. No fire. Alright. Bye. Yeah, that was the security they're calling because we're making a lot of smoke up in here with this oxtail, man. So
yeah, for sure.
we gotta let them know, like, yo, cool, it's cool, man. Don't worry. No fire up in here.
How did I get that so quick?
It's the fire detector. Smoke detector.
I didn't think it sounded. Technology.
Yeah, man.
So how's your business doing now?
I mean, good. Just growth period now. Getting people aware, getting people to know the brand. Actually I have an order today.
But like, when you do it for people in Dubai.
So what I do is, like, I have these clients that I cater for one-on-one. Like, they would call me and say, yo, I want some bulk food for tomorrow or for next week or whatever. And they tell me what they need, I prepare it, and I send it off to them. Like this Monday, I have one guy was here today. He wants me to cook for him this Monday. I'm gonna like go to the market, get all the stuff, prepare it, put it together, package it, and send it to him. Or he'll come and pick it up.
Okay, but you don't do like actual like catering where you go to actual like
Yeah,
oh, you
that's
do
a,
this,
yeah,
what I mean.
that's the main aspect of the business.
Okay, good.
So we go to the locations. Like you can contact me through my page and tell me like if you're having a celebration, a wedding, or like just a like a party, a get together, whatever. Like, you know, we talk, you tell me what you like, I put together a menu, and I come there to your location, I cook for you, and you people have fun. That's how it works. Yeah, man. That's the thing.
All the topics.
Yeah. The thing about cooking, yeah, I think everyone can cook, but the thing about cooking is getting the flavors right, man. Like everyone can cook, but not everyone can get the flavors right. You have to know balance, and it takes a lot of experience, like to get it to that perfect level where it becomes soul food, where people actually remembers you because of this food. That's what's important, man. Getting the flavors right.
When did you start cooking?
Okay, so that's the story you need to catch on camera.
You did. Hamburger. Last time you were interviewing, now you're hamburger. Why do we always miss a car?
When did I start cooking?
When did you start?
Let's say I started cooking at around 8.
I knew you were going to say that.
Yeah, around 8 years old.
With your mom or just
It's weird. I was living with my grandfather that time. He's a nice guy. But he couldn't cook well. So, like, I just took the responsibility because we lived alone. So I took the responsibility of trying to learn how to cook whatever. My first cooking experience was I tried to boil eggs.
And then you burn the house.
Oh, wait. Can you just zoom in on this? I just realized his...
Yeah, man.
Does it personalize?
It's YaRdViBe, man. The big thing. Go check it out on Instagram. I have my channel on YouTube. Go there if you want to learn how to cook something. I got fried dumpling, I got ackee and saltfish. Check out the thing, man. It's a big thing now. Yeah. Yeah, I boiled my first egg in a plastic container on the stove, that was the maddest thing ever.
A plastic container.
I got a fine whooping from this.
Yeah, I'm like, what?
It was pissed.
That's something you would do, babe.
That's how we started, right?
What did you do when you put something in the microwave? What did you put in the microwave?
A plate.
No, it wasn't a plate. You told me a story and you put something in the microwave.
What was
The
it?
plastic? No, it wasn't plastic. Like the fork?
Yeah, exactly.
What he did?
I wanted to warm my food and I left the fork.
The metal fork
Yeah.
in the microwave.
Yeah.
That's mad.
And then it explodes.
It exploded.
Yeah.
Of course. Look how I remembered your story and you didn't even remember.
And then
I don't blame you, bro. I would never want to remember a story like that.
and it wasn't at my mom's place. It was on my auntie place.
So you got open.
That's worse.
Yeah.
You owe your aunt a fork, man.
A whole
more than that.
a whole microwave, man.
Yeah?
You say, oh, a fork. Like as if that's the big picture of the story.
So you guys see the bigger picture.
Well, you don't owe them a fork, you owe them a whole microwave. in the
Yeah,
microwave
that's a
look-
bigger picture, man. So now,
Like a steam room. A free facial.
yeah. Open them pores.
You need to learn how to make this.
Leonie,
You should learn how to make this.
What's that?
the beans for the rice and
You
peas.
started with ours.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, good job you recorded.
Come record this. Alright, so anybody know Jamaican food knows that rice and peas is the best rice in the world, man. You can Google it. And this is how it starts. You start by cooking your red kidney beans until they're super soft. You want them as soft like this. It's mushy in your hands.
How long has this been here for? How long?
I've been cooking this for like an hour now.
Okay, so guys.
But that's because I wanted to. I can pressure it and it takes like 30 minutes.
So the longer the better it tastes?
Yeah. And you don't want to, if you want the best results from it, you don't cook it on high heat. Cook it on medium heat. Let it take time for the skin to pop open, slowly.
Okay.
I'm cooking. So, how I cook my rice and peas, I cook the beans with mento beans, so they can get the flavor from it. Also, I'm gonna teach you my secret now. I also put cinnamon sticks in there. That's what makes my rice and peas the best rice and peas.
You want to tell people your secret like that? You're good. People might
I mean,
copy.
it's fine. They can go on.
They might copy your recipe and steal your
They
whole
won't be as
company.
good as me.
But they might still just steal your whole company now.
Alright, so yeah.
They're gonna start watching your YouTubes
Yeah.
and then watch this video. They'll be like, okay, got it. I'll take over.
I'm gonna season the chicken now. Yeah, man.
Finally.
Time to season this chicken.
So
Jerk chicken it is.
I'm in the kitchen. You know how we do it.
You're whipping. You're whipping.
You're always whipping. That's all you do, man. Just whip. Just whip. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, Eric? Because you're the man.
Now we're gonna whip. Cut it.
Hey, careful, man. Alright, let's go. So put some pepper on there. Salt. Yep. This is my favorite, man. Garlic and herb.
Nice.
This is my all-purpose. Some chili powder.
A lot of work.
Chili powder. Cause you want that spicy, Yeah, one of them things.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
A little bit of the brown sugar.
A little bit of sugar. A little bit.
Yeah.
That's a lot. A lot.
Alright, so I'm gonna combine
Whip
this.
Whip it real good.
Yeah.
Whip it.
Look at that
Whip it
goodness,
real
man.
good.
So you want it to come out. little hue, nice color, nice
What?
flavors,
Weirdo.
barred in each other. This cannot be jerk chicken without the most important ingredient. And what's that?
Jerk.
Jerk what?
Chicken.
Jerk paste.
Jerk paste.
Real authentic Jamaican jerk paste. That's what makes the jerk chicken jerk and the best you will ever have. Can you get me the jerk paste from the fridge?
Sure, chef.
It's in that bowl there.
Okay, Master Jerome.
Yes, man.
Is this one? Yes.
Yes, perfect.
Well done, Eric.
Thank you, man. You're a good one. All right. So this is jerk paste, guys. Ooh, it's airtight. So you gotta keep the secret locked.
He's telling all his secret today, so anyone want to steal his whole company, you can do it.
So this is jerk paste, real authentic Jamaican jerk paste. In this we have pimento beans, we have spring onions, we have chili, we have pimento beans. I said that right?
Yep, he said it first. He said it like 1 second ago.
In this we have pimento beans, we have chili, we have spring onions, we have onions, we have thyme leaves, and we have soy sauce. So there's more that goes into it. I'm gonna create a video showing you guys how it's made in a video on my YouTube channel. You guys can go and subscribe to it, and you'll know you get a notification when it comes in, so you will know how to make real authentic Jamaican jerk paste. Yeah, man. Also, I'll teach you guys how to make this jerk chicken.
Plum. Plum too.
You want to put generous amount because you want to get that jerk flavor, you know? Yeah, I think that's good. You wanna, the right thing to do is use your hands to really work that jerk in there.
Work it.
Yeah, man.
Good teamwork, Eric.
Work it in there.
See that hand?
Yeah.
One hand. Doing
But I
all
hate
the work.
getting my hands messy, man. I hate it, so. Yeah, that's it. Now this is the secret that I don't want to tell them.
Finally.
How I get my jerk chicken to be so
Finally. Some secret.
good. I'm not gonna tell them, man. Yeah. Oh.
It's fighting with you.
Yeah. It's your turn, Leonie. Let's see what we got here.
It smells so good.
You want to eat it?
Not yet.
Okay.
No.
How long does it take to finish?
2 hours.
Okay, so
But
we gotta
now it
wait.
should be like 1 hour something.
Like 1 hour 45 minutes, right?
Maybe.
That's not long.
That's long. It's long when you're hungry.
You're hungry?
Starving.
Okay,
Starving,
so-
Marvin.
We're gonna bake these chicken.
How long?
2 hours.
Yeah.
This is a 2-hour kitchen.
So guys, now we're gonna
You
wait
like coleslaw?
2 hours.
Is it gonna be creamy?
We're gonna go somewhere and then come back. No, we're gonna play to FIFA.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we're gonna play some FIFA. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the pool.
Cabbage time, yeah.
So now we're making
Coleslaw.
coleslaw.
Cut up them cabbages.
1 hour later.
Oh my god, it smells so nice. How long do we have left now?
Maybe an hour.
Oh my gosh.
We can start eating. Yeah, man. Chicken is.
Oh, you can't see anything. It just steamed up the camera. Wait. Wait, keep it.
gonna put some salt in there. Measure it. Depends on how much rice you're gonna put. If you're gonna do 2 pounds of rice, you need 2 tablespoons. Well, not a full. You need 2 teaspoons of salt. Yeah. Not a full tablespoon. Then I'm gonna put some coconut milk powder in there. This is the real deal. You know?
Whoa, that's a lot.
Vegetable stock. Let this simmer down. Oh yeah. And then there's also another special ingredient you wanna put in there, some soy sauce. Give it that color, you know, man.
Soy sauce.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Right. We are with the artist. From a little bit of summertime. On the road, we are the yes man. Baby, morning, me and things like these, they can't follow. And they must follow. Fuck up the place with a crew ransom. Big fat split. Cool man. What you see? Serve well done. Pool party. Girls have fun.
a few moments later.
The chicken is out.
Next, we're gonna put it on the grill. Get it smoky, you know.
Smoky chicken.
Preparing our sauce. It's not for the faint-hearted, you know.
Definitely not. Oh, you made it even look pretty.
The sun is down. We're barbecuing.
I thought you were gonna sing "Sun Is Up."
Freezing cold. That's how we already know. Anyway,
I tried to tell them.
later it's gonna
I'll
be
show
a
'em.
sick barbecue. This is a barbecue, and then I'm tired.
A sick dinner barbecue.
Sick dinner,
Yeah.
private dinner, VIP dinner, only people invited. Kim Kardashian is coming with Kanye West.
You meant to say only very important people invited.
Only VIP coming. And Coco Chanel, Coco, my Coco here, are my VIP. I love my VIP.
Oh.
Later that same evening. Tomorrow.
What's up, fam?
So this is the next day. After that last video, whatever that was, I don't know what it's gonna be yet. But after that last video, yeah,
We passed out because
no, we didn't pass out. We ate and stuff, and people came round. We drank. We had music.
yeah, and
We
then
had the whole night, and then we slept like normal.
yeah, that's what I meant. We passed out because we forgot, and then we were drinking, and then having food, and like that.
So
yeah.
we're just wrapping this up and ending. The
To
video.
wrap this up, the food was amazing. Thank you
It was
so much
so good.
to the chef Jerome. We will link his Instagram down here, and he has a YouTube channel as well. We will link it. Thank you so much for watching us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friend who wanna eat a good Jamaican food and see a good Jamaican girl. Thank you so much. Bye.